Hello everyone, welcome in Multi-Choice Academy. Today we are solving NCERT Maths Class 8, Chapter 2, Exercise 2.5. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get regular update.
Now today we do the fourth number problem. The problem is x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. Such type of problem, how can we solve it? It is again the linear equation problem of the one variable. So in that case, what we'll do? We do the make the denominator same. So for making this denominator same, first thing that you cross multiply these two like that way. 5 is multiplied to x minus 5 and 3 is multiplied to x minus 3. Why do that? Simply in equation, what you do? In that equation, you multiply in the numerator and denominator in the same number. So there is no change in that equation of the left hand side. Similarly, in the right hand side, you multiply and divide. Means multiply the numerator and denominator of the same number. There will be the no change. Now, what will we do? In that case, the denominator is left hand side is the 3, right hand side will be the 5. So for making the same, so in the left hand side, we multiply the denominator by 5 and for right hand side, we multiply by 3. So in the when we are multiplying the denominator for left hand side is 5 and right hand side by 3. So same is multiply in the numerator is 5 and numerator of the right hand side by 3. So for that purpose, now that denominator will cancel out and only numerator will remain. 5 into x minus 5 is equal to x minus 3 into 3. That will comes by this method. We multiply cross multiplication of x minus 5 by 5 and x minus 3 by 3. Now I think you can understood this thing. If you have any problem, you can comment me. Then what is the meaning of that 5 into x minus 5? That means 5 is multiply of the each variable and number of the bracket. Means 5 into x, then copy that sign and then 5 into 5. That is the minus sign, you copy it here. 5 into 5 is equal to x minus 3 into 3. Means 3 is multiplied by x, means 3 into x. Then copy that minus sign, then 3 into 3. Now you can solve this equation. It becomes the 5x minus 25 is equal to 3x minus 9. And then similar process is applied. We collect the all variables in the left hand side and numbers in the right hand side. And that becomes 5x and change the sign. Here is plus, it becomes minus. Positive, negative. Here is copy that is same side. Then this negative becomes here is positive. Now it becomes 2x is equal to 16. That multiplication in the numerator is divided in the another side 16 by 2 and that is 8 and now answer becomes x is equal to 8. Tenth problem is 0.25 in bracket 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 in bracket 10f minus 9. Here f is the variable. It may x, y, z, anything is there. Simply in this problem, the property is same in the previous one. But only change is that here we are multiplying the point numbers 0.25. How we'll do that type of the problem? So firstly we open that bracket. So first we write down the 0.25 into 4. F is the variable, so we copy it as it is. Then minus, if there is in place of, this is the plus 0.25, this becomes the minus 0.25. So then that equation becomes the plus minus minus and minus minus plus. Okay, but here is, that is the positive number, so there is no change in the sign of in the bracket number. So it becomes 0.25 into 3. Then right hand side 0.05 into 10f minus 0.05 into 9. Simple. Now how will do that multiplication? We copy that, simple, we take that number 0.25 into 4. So we multiply in the simple way. 4 5s are 20, 0, 2 is carry, 4 2s are 8, 2 plus 10. Okay. Then how much number after that is the decimal? 1 and 2. Now we place the 1 and 2 from the right hand side and place that decimal. So now our multiplication becomes 1. In that place 0.25 into 4 we are write down the 1 and copy that F. Similar process apply for 0.25 into 3. 0.25 into 3 is equal to 3 5s are 15, 1 is carry, 3 2s are 6, 1 7. Again after 2 place that decimal, it becomes 0.75. So then it becomes, number is in place of 0.25 into 3, 0.75. Now similar process is do in the right hand side. It becomes 0.5, that becomes 0.45. Then again you remember that property, collects the variable in left hand side and number in the right hand side, and which number or variable terms is changed from right to left, left to right, we change the sign of that numbers. So we copy that 1f as it is. Now 0.5f is come from which side? Right to left. So is sign becomes negative, minus 0.5f. Copy that minus 0.45, minus 0.75 come from left to right, sign becomes plus, plus 0.75. Now simply subtract these both sides, variable to variable, number to number, it becomes 0.5f is equal to 0.3. Next step is f is equal to, that numerator goes into denominator. You overlap that both of the same decimal in the same place, so it becomes 3 by 5. Now we divide that 3 by 5, 5 to 3, and here we show it that 5 is 5 and that 3. But first is there is that is the lesser one, so you place the 0, then place the decimal, takes the 0, and 5 6 30. So your final answer is f is equal to 0.